Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make this beautiful lehenga. So let's get started. So I went to the local fabric shop and got this beautiful floral chicken curry georgette fabric, embroidered organza for the dupatta, lining and georgette for the blouse, and that's it. So here we go. So this is the main fabric for the lehenga, and I'll fold it into four. Then now I'll fold it one more time, then I'll mark according to the measurement. Now time for cut all the cullies. So as you can see, I placed all the cullies accordingly. Then I'll stitch it one by one. Now time to place the lining and attaching the zip on one side and adding the belt on the waistline. Now time for adding dramatic volume. So for that I'm using this can on its half and using this block plate technique. Lastly, I'll complete it by adding this horsehair on the bottom and the belt. Now let's jump to the blouse. So I'm using this lining, my main georgette fabric and some patterns. So let's draft it on the main fabric and then time for the lining. So here I'm ready with all the cuttings, and now time for assembling it and stitch it accordingly, and stay tuned till the end. Till then, enjoy the sewing process. So here I'm giving some cuts on the edges so that it can fold it properly and give a nice curve to the neck and the waistline. Now let me flip it into the right side. Now time for placing the cups on the marking points by doing the hand swing. Front side is almost done. Let's complete the back side also by using the same layering technique. After completing the back as well, let's attach the shoulder and attach the sleeves to it. Now mark it on the fitting lines and stitch it on both the sides. Now here we go, and the blouse is also ready. Now time for the dupatta, and for that I'm using this white embroidered organza fabric, and now let me cut the extra fabric and the embroidered part from that. Now let's attach it on the empty side using the patchwork technique and cut out the extra fabric from the sides. Now the dupatta is almost done. After that I get it dyed into the hot pink color, as you can see in the final result. So this is the final outcome and I'm totally satisfied with this. I hope you too. If yes, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Till then, love you and bye bye. See you soon.